Guys, now we are already aware about the single page application. Let's have a brief introduction to React.js. So let's have a look at the outline. We'll see what is React.js, that is a brief overview of it and its purpose. The features, we'll highlight the key features and why to use React.js by exploring their benefits and the advantages. Also the scope by discussing the potential applications and use cases, and finally the placement opportunities by examining the job market and career prospects for React.js developers. React.js is a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, particularly single-page applications. It allows developers to create large web applications that can update and render efficiently whenever the data changes. It was initially developed by Facebook and is now maintained by Facebook and a community of developers. React allows developers to build components in order to make complex user interfaces. Let's have a look at the features. The first important feature of React.js is that it has a declarative UI. Declarative UI is a programming paradigm where developers specify what the user interface should look like and what it should do, rather than providing step-by-step instructions on how to achieve that look or behavior. So we do not explicitly specify the steps to achieve a desired outcome. Declarative UI is always state-driven, means when the state changes, the UI automatically updates to reflect those changes. And this is actually what was discussed in the last video regarding single-page applications. Also, declarative code is often more readable and easier to maintain. In React, we create components using a declarative approach. Next important feature is component-based architecture. React.js promotes modularity and maintainability by encouraging the creation of reusable UI components. These components allow developers to break down complex user interfaces into smaller, manageable pieces so that it makes easier to develop, test, and maintain the applications. And by reusing components across different parts of an application, developers can save time and ensure consistency in the UI design. The next feature we have is Virtual DOM. React.js uses a virtual DOM for efficiently updating and rendering the components. Now first understand what is a virtual DOM. It's nothing but a lightweight copy of the real DOM that allows React to manage changes more efficiently. So when a component's state changes, React will create a new virtual DOM tree and will compare it with the real DOM. Now what are the advantages here? By minimizing direct manipulations to the DOM, that is to the actual DOM, React.js significantly improves the performance. So what happens is that React.js only updates the necessary parts of the DOM, resulting in faster rendering and a smooth user experience. Next feature includes Learn Once, Write Anywhere. This in React means that once you learn React, you can use the same knowledge and often the same code to build applications for multiple platforms, including web, mobile, and desktop. Next is one-way data binding. This means that the data flows down from top-level components to the bottom-level components. One way here means that the binding will always happen in one direction, and hence enhances performance by re-rendering only the affected components and simplifies the component design. This makes the state management and debugging more predictable and straightforward. Next feature is JSX. The full form of JSX is JavaScript XML. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing more about this. But for now, just understand that it's a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows developers to write HTML-like code in their components. This makes creating React components easier by letting you mix HTML and JavaScript together. Now, after all this, why to use React.js? First important reason is it's efficient and performant because of its virtual DOM and one-way data binding feature. Because of its component-based architecture as well, because it promotes reusability and maintainability. Because of its flexibility and scalability as well, it allows developers to build complex and dynamic UIs. Finally, because of its large and active community, it has a large and active community of developers providing a wealth of resources. And now we will see that what are the areas where React.js can be utilized. So first is web development, because it can be used for building modern, responsive and interactive web applications. For mobile application development, we have React Native because it can be used to build mobile apps for both iOS and Android platforms. We have server-side rendering. It can improve the initial load time and the search engine optimization of web applications. Finally, we have desktop applications where we can use frameworks like Electron. Now, last but not the least, based on these areas, you can secure your job as a web developer, mobile app developer, software engineer, and freelancer. Hope you liked this video. In the next video, we will create our first React application. That's all for now.